Think it's about to rain on us, Shawn. Shawn, sorry, it's probably windy. He bought a new golf caddy baggy thing and some golf clubs and balls at a garage sale today. So they've been out here shooting them and stuff, but now it's getting super dark. I don't know where Daniel is. Is he way over there? Yeah, he's way, they hit the balls over by the people's houses. So we got to back up some. You feel that cold air? Literally, we were sweating from the, a big rainstorm. We were like sweating from the humidity. Now the air is super cold. So we went garage selling and we found stuff for Shawn's room down in his hangout room. So that's the only thing pretty much we did. Sorry, it's so windy. And then my daughter went and helped with a birthday party, and Jariah's just in the house dancing, of course. So yeah, we're just out here on a Saturday, pretty much doing much of, not too much of anything. It's Daniel. Shawn, where you going, bud? Yeah, so they're gonna just hit some balls. They're trying to get it to the baseball field. And I'm just on my phone. We still haven't went and bought a camera. Jimmy's been so busy at work, so waiting for him to have a little bit of time to go with me to Best Buy to get one. Hey, Bubby. You ready? You feel that cold air?
Yeah, it feels so good.
I know, because we were sweating so bad. Okay, let's try to see you get one. You found them all? Good. Uh-oh, I hear the thunder. We got to run home. Come on, move. Wait till you, yeah, wait till he moves. Uh-oh, I feel the rain. Let's go, guys. We're gonna get soaked. Yeah, because you got to find all your balls. Come on.
I feel the rain!
Woo! Wow, Dan. That was far. You gotta go get them.
No. Alright. Set! Go!
Our neighbors are gonna be so mad listening to all this hollering. She keeping up to him though. Seriously? She keeping up to him. Jariah, that was good. You kept up to him. All right, come on.
This don't hurt.
Look for cars. Make sure nobody's coming. All right, go. Woo! There it went. Yeah.
I just got it. Stop. Oh, I'm controlling Jariah.
It's about to rain on us. I'm just sitting out here on the ground, hanging with them. About to get rained on. Stop, Dan. Stop.
It's pouring raining.
All right, it's starting to rain. Daniel!
It said it's going to rain all day today.
Yeah, it said it was supposed to rain all day, but it just keeps sprinkling.
Now it's raining a little bit in the side.
Yeah. So we're just sitting outside.
Every day.
Renee's still gone at the birthday party.
Lightning. I just saw one on the
Uh-oh, here it goes. Now it's raining.
It's pouring.
We better go in.
After this hit.
Okay. Golfing in the rain.
Heavy.
Are we serious right now? Especially me with this camera?
Come on, let's go.
Go get it. Let's go. Come on.